Good morning, people. I just wanted to do a really quick review of this very little, very cute, very inexpensive coffee pot. My favorite color is red. It comes in many colors or other colors. I can't remember. But it works just great. I use 2 scoops of my favorite coffee and I put my water on 3. And as you can see, it's already stopped, okay, and it's just about on 3. And I don't use their filter. I may one day, but I like my paper filters. But yeah, it works just fine. I have not had any issues after 2 months. So I figured now would be a good time to review it, because I use it just about every day, so that would be a pretty good review. So yeah, go out and get you one. If you're on the fence about it, don't be. It is a cool product.